Shalom, I'm Julie Auerbach. I'm from Denver, Colorado originally. I am currently participating in the Sea Galilee program taking place in Shlomi, Israel, in the northern part of Israel. Lebanon is in my backyard. It's beautiful. I'm currently volunteering at the community center in Shlomi. I'm helping to teach cooking classes. I'm also helping out with the girls group, and I'm also teaching English at an elementary school 3 days a week. This program has been a really great experience for me. It's been a lot of self-development and self-growth. The aspect of Sea Galilee that really drew me in was our social entrepreneurship path. I have a passion for entrepreneurship, excuse me, and I've just really been interested in exploring my passions and my interests in Israel because I've always been passionate about Israel, and I'm just really happy to be here. It's a really amazing experience thus far.